Back by popular demand, more reaction videos. We poll our subscribers. Subscribe to the channel. If you don't right now, I'm sure at the end of the video, you'll either love me or hate me. That's usually the way it is in my real life. And I have 3 people around me right now who actually do love me. So we do these reaction videos, and I'm told this is going to be a doozy. We'll see. So I'm going to expose this thing right now. Mo said she, so I'm assuming it's Cathie Wood.
I didn't.
Why do we do this, Tim?
Tesla is Cathie Wood's top holding in her ARK Innovation Fund, her flagship fund. And Cathie Wood joins us now exclusively. Cathie, it's so great to have you on the show. Thanks for being with us.
Clown.
Thank you, Morgan. Happy to be here.
Clown.
So much to discuss with you, but I do want to start with Tesla.
She's a clown, idiot.
We did get yesterday, and specifically the fact that the operating margin dropped pretty dramatically to 11.4%, certainly in focus for trading today. Does this change your outlook or your thesis around Tesla?
Oh, she's very pretty. I've never seen her before.
Really? Not at all.
Yeah.
In fact, curiously, we want Tesla to scale its units.
Shut up, Cathie.
Because each one of them now represents the potential for a RoboTaxi and a RoboTaxi fleet.
RoboTaxi.
That's what we're talking about now.
RoboTaxi. $5 trillion valuation because of RoboTaxi.
I didn't think that we were going in that direction.
$5 trillion. You know, we've done a lot of videos on this. And it's no secret that I think she and Jim Cramer are the dumbest people in the media when it comes to investing. Cathie Wood does not understand investing at all. She doesn't understand valuations. She doesn't understand cautiousness. She is really, 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 really stupid. That's me being very nice about it. What do you think, Mo?
Yeah, I agree.
This video is 4 minutes and 11 seconds. We're 48 seconds through. This is when Tesla went down 10% that one day.
Right.
So guys, let's just start from the basics. For those of you who love Tesla so much, when it was at $4.15 a share and you told me the fundamentals didn't matter, and of course you said that. You didn't say it by your words, you said it by your actions. Because if you cared about fundamentals, there's no way you could have justified $415 a share. Zero chance. So now it's at $160 a share. And I'm still saying it's overpriced. I've been saying it for a while. Suddenly, Cathie Wood went from $160 a share on ARK down to 32, and now it's at 38 or so. Talks about she says that value investors, originally she said they don't understand disruption. But then she uses the word value to talk about how deep value her companies are. Oh my God, do I hate this person. I literally genuinely hate this person. I shouldn't hate this person. That's more of a reflection on me than on her, right? I should not care. But I care in the sense that there are people that go back and look at the comments from February 2021 and videos we made when we criticized her when her ARK investment was at 160. There were idiots out there saying she has a hedge fund and you don't. 1, she didn't have a hedge fund. And 2, how do you feel at 32? 80% lower. 80% lower. According to you guys who believe in her methodology, and if you don't believe in her methodology, because 65% of our viewers are subscribers of our channel, which means you're probably smart, just to let you know. If you understand valuation, you realize that every investment is the present value of all future cash flow. For Tesla to have a $5 trillion valuation in 2027, 4 years from now, what has to happen to the company? How many cars do they need to sell in order to have a $5 trillion valuation? At what margin? If their bottom line margin is 10%, they have to make $500 billion a year in profit after taxes. And if their margin overall, that means they have to have $5 trillion in sales. $5 trillion in sales with an average car price of $50,000. How many is that? 100 million cars? Do me a favor. Am I right on that one? Is that 100 million cars?
13.75 million cars sold in 2022 in the United States last year.
Okay, new cars.
New cars.
Well, I don't think that includes trucks and SUVs.
Light vehicles.
So let me do this. So light vehicles.
Either way.
So let's do 5 trillion. That's billion divided by 50,000.
Average car price.
100 million cars.
Yeah.
How many new cars were sold worldwide this year? How many new cars sold worldwide in 2022? Last year. 67 million cars last year. So Tesla has to have $50,000 cars and be larger than the entire world market was last year, 4 years from now.
And I will point this. I was thinking over the weekend about Tesla because somebody in a group chat was talking about it. And I'm like, they have 4 products in a pretty niche area.
Uh-huh.
How are you supposed to do that?
Worldwide?
Yeah.
Well, let's get even crazier. Let's say their bottom line profit margin of 10% that I was assuming, let's say they're geniuses and get 20%. Okay. Meanwhile, their gross margin in the best of months is 23 to 25. Let's say they make 20% bottom line margin. That's still 50 million cars a year worldwide. Last year, 67 million cars were sold in the entire world. If you don't understand this concept, I'm sorry to say this, you're stupid. If you just don't see how ridiculous this is, you are stupid. I don't feel bad for you. I hope that you lose a lot of money. I really, really pray to the Jesus that I love so much. Dear Jesus, please have stupid people like Cathie Wood lose all their money. Thank you. Do you think you heard me?
I mean, we have a ceiling above us, but I don't know.
Son of a bitch. I gotta go outside and do
50
this.
million. So in most areas of the world, they do not sell a lot of brand new cars, right?
Yeah.
So not only are they going to be selling brand new cars, but they're going to be selling brand new electric cars and brand new electric cars that have no way of charging because there's no network. So how are you going to get to this number in the next 4 years?
Like at least if it was 10 years, 12, 15 years from now, I'd be like, well, I really know what's going to happen. China's developed. It's 4 years from now, guys.
Yeah.
4 years, they had to sell 50 million cars at 20% bottom line margin. Here's an example.
I'll bet against that all
Wait a second.
day.
Let me tell you how stupid that is. Ferrari. Ferrari has a gross margin of 50%. That means every car they sell, 50%, 48% of it is gross. It goes to pay overhead and income taxes. Their bottom line margin isn't even 20%. What's the gross margin on Tesla currently? The gross margin in the last year was 23%. And they need to make an average bottom line profit of 20% and sell 50 million cars at $50,000 each. I have one thing to say to you if you believe this. There you go.
Can we watch more of this?
There you go. You really want to watch more of this?
Yeah, I want to see what she has to say.
I might end up killing somebody.
We think it's more like last year. But the RoboTaxi fleet is really going to be, or the RoboTaxi service is going to be, from a margin point of view, more like a SaaS business.
Oh my God!
And so we think
oh my God! A SaaS business from a margin perspective. Let me show you guys what she means by that.
That's awesome.
What's a SaaS business? Let's pull up Oracle.
God,
Oracle is
awesome.
a SaaS business. Look at their bottom line Oracle gross margin right here of 77%. A SaaS business.
RoboTaxis are back, baby.
Oh my God, I can't believe she said that. And I will say, if she's right on that, then okay, sounds
This
good.
is why we need to keep going.
Oh my God.
Keep going.
Mo, are we even a minute and a half in?
Keep going. No.
We're a minute 6 in. I can't do this. Oh my God.
to maximize units because they have so much option value now.
Yeah. I mean, but we've been hearing about the RoboTaxi fleet for some time. There's a lot of regulatory barriers to all
very
of that,
pretty.
and certainly technological
Who
barriers involved too. So how soon can we actually see that realized? And given the fact that you tweeted earlier today that you've got a new valuation assessment of Tesla coming out, how does that fit into your price target for the stock going forward?
The price target for our stock, and I think it's just hitting now, for 2027, because we do have a 5-year investment time horizon, is our expected value is roughly $2,000, and that's within a range of $1,400 to $2,500, our bear. And do
you understand what this means? Nice. A bear case of $1,400 a share. A bear case.
Oh, it's fantastic.
I'll go say something, and I want everybody to mark this down. It is currently, what's the date today? May 1st. It is currently 2:10 p.m. on May 1st, Eastern time. I want somebody to pull up this video in the next 5 years. I think within the next 5 years, Tesla will hit below $100 a share and stay there. I think 5 years from now, it'll be below $100 a share. Now, I'm making a prediction based on emotions and based on all that stuff. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm fine with that. But it's got to be over. Her bear case is triple what it hit at its peak. Triple. It's bear case.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Bear case.
Keep going.
Put it in the phone.
2026. Keep going.
And bull case. Now, just Morgan, on the regulatory side, I actually think regulations are working in Tesla's favor. For, I think, roughly 3 decades, the number of auto fatalities in the United States fell to the low 30,000 range per year.
It's been steady there for a while.
They've turned around in the last 5 years and moved up to 45,000.
Oh, has it really jumped that much?
And I think the pressure is on the National Highway and Transportation Safety Association to change something. So it is looking carefully at Tesla's data. And during Investor Day, Tesla released some data that we don't think many people paid enough attention to. The most important one is that with full self-driving, a Tesla vehicle gets into an accident every 3.2 million miles. And that compares to 1 every 500,000 miles for the average car on the road.
Okay, so Cathie, hold on. Good afternoon. It's John Ford. I just want to clarify. Did you say a $2,000 per share price target? Tesla right now is under $200 a share. So even if you were to 10x that would be an over $5 trillion market cap. Is that what you're saying?
That is what we're saying. We think that the RoboTaxi opportunity globally will deliver $8 to $10 trillion.
Yeah, it's more like a $6 trillion market cap for 2000.
And is one of the most important investment opportunities of our lifetimes.
Okay. Our lifetimes.
Cathie Wood will go down as one of the worst investors of our lifetime.
This is epic.
I'm just telling you that right now. She has no understanding of reality and valuation. She will go down as one of the worst investors of all time. And she will eventually quit and make some claim about, I did everything I wanted to do. I've said this many times. She's going to say this. She's going to say, I'm going to spend time with family, etc. But it's all going to be because the reason I know we're not close to a bear market yet, to be done with this bear market, is she still has inflows. This clown right here still has people giving her money. She's into crypto. And again, if you believe in Bitcoin and Tesla are I think the poster child of this bull market. If you believe in crypto and you believe in Tesla, you are double whammy stupid. As an investment, I mean. Mo's got a Tesla. I had a Tesla for 2 days. I actually didn't like it very much, but I love Elon Musk. I love what he's done with Twitter. I think he's a visionary and a brilliant man. And people are just lemmings and dumb. So I'm done watching this video because we have 20 seconds left and I just don't want to hear any more of this clown.
We can be done.
How many clowns can you fit into a Tesla? That's the question. Thank you very much. If you hate me, comment below. Tell me you hate me. If you like me, subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks very much, guys. Take care.